Oh, welcome back guys, it's me Abdullah Aviation. Today I'm recording plane spotting from my new iPad. So I'm in my car right now. I'm waiting for the plane from Newcastle to Dubai, and I'm waiting to take it's gonna take off. So I'm putting the iPad here. I'm gonna record. So let's just wait, I guess. Okay, let me do next. Guys, it's on runway right now, so I'm just gonna wait, I guess. Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My first time seeing an Emirates plane taking off. Hello, Dad. Can you move out of the way? Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming, Dad. You're gonna hear the engine roar, man. I hear it. I hear it. I hear it. Ding-a-ding-a-ding. Bring it a little bit up like this. Whoa! Possibly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Be a good boy, Ryan. When you arrive at your destination, make sure you butter.
Yeah.
This is the last train. We're gonna see it's along there, and it's gonna take off in soon. It's on runway. Let's take it off. We're gonna see it. Dada, can you move out the way, please? Okay, let's see. Waiting. We're waiting. This is the last planing. Coming. It's coming, Dad. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Okay, so guys, that was it for today. Thank you for y'all watching, and have a great time.